This T-fal Titanium Nonstick Frypan 10-inch is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It makes cooking easier, and cleanup is a breeze. The nonstick surface is strong because of titanium. Food slides right off, and you don't need much oil or even grease. This pan can handle the heat on your stovetop. The T-fal Titanium Nonstick Frypan 10-inch is also oven safe up to 350 F. This means you can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. It's great for women and men who love to cook. You won't find much residue left in the pan after cooking. Cleaning is simple, and there's less chance of damage if you use the right tools. If you're looking for reliable cookware, the T-fal Titanium Nonstick Frypan 10-inch is a solid choice. It has good capacity for everyday meals. While there's no video included here, imagine how easily food releases from the surface. It's not luggage for travel, but it's a great addition to your kitchen. There's no closure mechanism since it's a frypan, but it helps close the gap between cooking and easy cleaning. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, oven safe, 350 F. Durable material, even heating, good for searing, versatile size, comfortable handle. Dishwasher safe, resistant to scratches. Cons: may stick slightly, uneven heating, not very nonstick, hard to clean, scratches easily. Coating may peel, handle can feel cheap, can slide on burners, center higher than edges, uneven. Oil distribution features: non-stick, titanium, frypan 10-inch, oven safe, cookware, pots and pans, black, T-fal. This black, 10-inch T-fal frypan has a non-stick surface made with titanium, which means food won't easily stick. It's safe to put in the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This pan is part of T-fal's cookware line, which includes pots and pans for cooking. It's designed to make cooking easier with its non-stick feature. This 10-inch T-fal frypan has a titanium non-stick surface that is advertised as easy to clean and resistant to scratches, with the added benefit of being oven safe up to 350 F. It is described as durable, providing even heating and being good for searing due to its versatile size and comfortable handle. Also being dishwasher safe. However, some users report that it may stick slightly, heat unevenly, and not be very nonstick, making it hard to clean and prone to scratching and peeling of the coating. With the handle sometimes feeling cheap, potentially sliding on burners, and having a center that is higher than the edges, leading to uneven oil distribution.